In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix and stop your Firefox browser from starting up automatically whenever you power on your computer. So this works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. Now there are two ways you can achieve this. In the first method, go to Start menu here and then look for Settings. Under Settings, click on Accounts and then Sign In Options. From the list, scroll down and then find this page called Restart Apps and then Privacy. So go ahead and toggle off all these options. Now this should be able to fix your problem. However, should this not fix your problem, then go ahead and click on Start menu and then under Search, type in Run. And you can see Run is here. It is under System. If you click on it, it will open this Run command. Now go ahead and type in shell ;startup. You can see it here and then click on OK. Now this will open a folder containing all the programs that are set to automatically start up whenever your computer is powered on. As you can see, Firefox is among them, and this is the reason why Firefox is starting automatically on this computer. To prevent this, go ahead and delete these files or these programs from the list. And now that is done, then I'll go ahead and close. From here, Firefox will never again start up automatically on my computer whenever I restart or I power on my computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.